What's up, YouTube? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Before this video starts, I just want to make a few quick points. So normally with my shoots, the angles are a little bit better with these behind the scenes. But with my last few shoots, I decided to switch with my GoPro. And so with the GoPro, I have a head mount. So the GoPro was right here. And because of like shooting, I'm kind of over dramatic when I take a photo shoot anyway. The angles aren't the best. And so I just want to warn you about that before the video starts. But what I do want to make this opportunity is to hear me behind the scenes shooting with a model instead of a voiceover. So what you're going to be hearing in these videos is exactly what I sound like as I am doing a photo shoot. That's the direction I'm going. So this is a great opportunity just to hear like what to say, how to like work with a model, how to be encouraging, how to like, you know, just gas the person up. That's how the shoot gets better and better over time. So if this is something that you like, if you want me to kind of mesh this type of video style with another type of video style or what I've been doing, let me know in the comments. But I hope you really enjoy it. And we're out.
What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite model, Quonset Rutledge. You can follow me on Instagram at Taryn Star. Today we're gonna do some type of like editorial look. Dean's only gonna be using a 35mm, but yeah, let's get it started and here we go.
Okay, cool. So all right, so let's get like one practice one and make sure this is looking at you. Cool. I'm going to back up just to let me not break nothing. All right, cool. I want to get that full thing. Okay, so just so you know what we're working with. Oh, look at that! I told you. All right, so we just gonna scoot this over. Let me get you to just scoot a little bit this way.
This way?
Yeah, this way right here. Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah, cause she in the picture she had one with her foot up, correct? Yeah, so boom, right there. 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna do one more. All right, tell me if this is looking at you.
Somewhere this way. Yeah,
Right there, boom. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, and we're gonna do that one more time. Let's do that one more time. It was just a little blurry. 3, 2, 1. You already knew the pose. I love it. Making my job easy. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's fire right there. I gotta go ahead and show you.
You know what, D? Too much.
Let's go right here. Let's see what happens if we actually go. Let's crank that up and go down just a little bit more. All right, bet. Go right there. 3, 2, 1. I bet. I'm just gonna get a little closer. Let's just bring that back leg back a little bit. Yeah, and just kind of roll up on your toes. Just a little right there. Perfect. All right, 3, 2, 1. Be good.
Okay, honey.
Killing the game. All right, let's get one with your legs crossed up top. Yeah, right there. No, we could do that too. But let's go right there. And let's just roll up that foot. Yeah, so we just want to keep that pointed. That's how when that shadow throw, it just makes everything just look slimmer. All right, cool. So 3, 2, 1. You look futuristic right here. You even show time. I was a little off focus. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go full body. Let's cross that foot over. Other foot, yeah. So yeah, bam, that's it right there. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, honey, I love you, Dean. Dean, what the fuck are we a team? What you talking about? Don't you know that shit? Don't you know it's me and you, baby? What you talking about?
I told you I had you. I told you I got you. All right, bet. All right, this is killing it real quick. All right, let's look. All right, so let's go ahead and try a little bit farther down the stairs, and we'll like kind of like.
Do you want to try to get the second one?
Which one?
The dress. It's a dress.
Dress. Let me just check something real quick. Let's see. We might be able to throw it in. Probably get a few shots. 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. Yeah, right there. So just twist a little toward me. Yeah, right there. Like keep your feet just at the waist, right there. So actually scoot your legs over this way, cause we want to get both shoes in it. Boom, right there. Yeah, and just twist your shoulders toward me, right there. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Gotcha. I'm gonna do that high one time. 3, 2, 1. Gotcha. So far, we're good. Thank you. I'm technically in your way. All right, cool. All right, bet. Let's just get one more. 3, 2, 1. That looks dope. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, let me get you a look over here. 3, 2, 1. Huh? I think it's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna bring up the shadows just a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
Just gonna move this over a smidge. Boom. And I didn't ask, does it feel like it's looking at you?
Yeah.
All right, boom. Actually, no. Crank that up. Put that right there. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's hot. All right, we about there. I just need to turn this light down a little bit and crank this up. All right, you cool. I'm just getting this light correct. So that's really hard. I actually think I want to get just a little bit closer on you. I think like this is a good like headshot. So right there. And then I'm gonna crank this down just a little bit, a little wider. All right, let me see. Boom, we go crank it up a smidge. Yeah, thank you so much for being patient. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, cool. Take a little step that way. Yeah, right there. Boom. And let's look over this way. So turn your head just a little bit more. So right here. 3, 2, 1. That's hard. I'm loving this. 3, 2, 1. That's a point. So let's go. Kind of want something like this. Oh yeah, right there. So right here, and let's use the other hand. Actually, yeah, hold right there. Hold right there. 2, 1. Right there. And so let me do the same thing, but from. All right, 3, 2, 1. Gotcha. All right, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yes. I like the other one though.
My double.
That one. I love that one. Okay. So what you think? You want to
See, I think we got it. Let's do an outro for the video.
Okay.
Alright, what's up everybody? I know y'all didn't see me in the intro, but let the amazing model introduce herself one more time.
It's Taryn Star on Instagram. You can add me.
Hey, it'll be in one of the boxes. So we actually got kicked out of the location.
You got kicked out.
But when you work efficiently, you get done quicker. So we got kicked out right at the end. So
Right
it always worked out. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm pretty sure, actually pretty quickly, you're going to see more of us working together.
Definitely.
But we got a lot going on. But thank you again, YouTube. Shout out to Taryn Star. And if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment. Y'all have a good day.